Hi, good evening. Sa mga hindi interested, please skip this video. Gusto ko lang share to kanina pa kaya lang ngayon ako nagka-chance. The reason why mahina yung boses ko kasi gabi na dito. So, yun. Tutulog na yung mga kasama ko. Kanina, nagpagas ako, which is nagpapagas ako sa may Santa Rita, Guagua. Right after ko magpagas, naisipan ko lang mag-me time, parang pampering myself. Back when 101 days I was doing this one, and now kanina naisipan kong i-date yung sarili ko, and ang dami kong realizations. Napaka-blessed ko pala. Napaka-blessed pala natin. Ang dami palang dapat ipagpasalamat sa buhay. So, might as well count it. Count mo yung mga blessings instead of yung mga wino-worries mo sa buhay. Ayun. Ang daming dapat i-appreciate. Kaya nagkataon yung brother ko. Same kami ng page kanina. So, i-share ko dito yung ano pa namin and yung videos din niya kung paano niya na-appreciate yung life. And ayun, thankful ako kay Lord sa buhay na binigay niya sa akin. I was contented. I felt better. Masaya rin palang dinedate yung sarili paminsan-minsan. So, we'll surely do it once in a blue moon. Ayun lang. So, have a good day and check the videos of my brother. Ayun.
Hi guys. So I just wanted to share something to you guys. So every time I'm in Santolan, before Santolan flyover north, it's always traffic, or there's always a jam of cars. So I just feel so lucky whenever I buy this. It's called mani in the Philippines, but it's peanuts in English. No, it just helped me relieve my, sorry about that, helped me relieve my boredom during the traffic days. This is one of the things that sometimes the simplest things matters. I can relate it to, I will pick this over Pringles or Lay's because aside from it's very cheap, it's also very yummy. Yep, peace out.